Good morning friends, welcome back. Myself Kukureja Rahul, and today we have to learn about the lines and angles from exercise 6.1 question number 3 4, 5th and 6th. Okay, in the previous session we already learned about the question 1, 2 and 3. Now we have to learn about the question number 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so without wasting our time, let's start. Standard 9 and chapter, name of the chapter, that is lines and angles. Okay, name of the chapter, that is lines and angles. So from the exercise 6.1 question number 1, 2, 3 we are learned in previous session. Now question number 4 we have to learn. Okay, so question number 4, that is, in the given figure, if x plus y is equal to w plus z, then prove that AOB is a line. Okay, that is from the given figure. So we have to first of all draw the figure, that is AOB is a line we have to prove. Okay, this is the figure AOB. Okay, and COD. Okay, and from the figure, there is X, Y, Z, W. X, Y, Z, and this is W. Okay, that is in given figure. So now we have to start that prove that AOB is a line. So from given, so I'll write given first of all, that is from the figure, that is given that if x plus y equal to w plus z, x plus y is equal to w plus z are given, x plus y equal to w plus z are given. So we have to prove that is AOB is a line. Okay, AOB is a line. We have to prove that AOB is a line, or we have to just prove that AOB forms 180 degree. Okay, angle AOC or angle COB or angle y plus x forms 180 degree. Okay, we just have to prove that. So let's start proof. So in proof, we know that the here point O, okay, point O forms 360 degree around them. Okay, point O forms all of the angles, adding all of the angles x plus y plus w plus z. Okay, all of the angles are forms total 360 degree. We know that from the point that forms 360 degree, that is angle x plus angle y plus angle z plus angle w is equal to 360 degree. Okay, okay. Now from the given x plus y is equal to w plus z, so we have to write x plus y instead of the w plus z. Okay, now at the place of w plus z we have to write x plus y. So x plus y first is also as it is. Now as a w plus z we have also write x plus y equal to 360 degree. Okay, So therefore there is a 2 times x and 2 times y. So 2 times x plus 2 times y equal to 360 degree. Okay, clear? Now we have to take common from the x and y. 2 as a common. So angle x plus angle y is equal to 360 degree. Now 2 shifted to the second side to divide with the 360 degree. So therefore angle x plus angle y equal to 360 by 2. Therefore angle x plus angle y equal to 180 degree. Now there is a sum of the two angles x and y is equal to 180 degree. So therefore we have to say that AOB forms the line. Therefore AOB forms the line. Okay, and therefore hence proved. Clear, students? Please note down here fast. Next question is very important for this chapter, and please note down that question is very important. Okay. Next question, that is question number 5. Question number 5 is that in the given figure, that is also in the figure is given for the question 5, and we have to draw this figure. Okay, there is a P, O, Q and R and S. P, O, Q, and here is a R and here is a S, and this is a 90 degree. Okay, now we have to read a question. POQ is a line and ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ. Ray OR is a perpendicular to line PQ, that we have to write in the given. That is given, that is OR is perpendicular to PQ. Okay, OR perpendicular to PQ means that means they form 90 degree. Okay, OS is another ray lying between rays OP and OR. OS is another ray is lying between OP and OR. Okay, so prove that ROS. Here we have to write first of all OS is a ray lying between OP and OR. Now we have to prove what thing we have to prove, that is angle ROS is equal to half of, in bracket, angle QOS minus angle POS. You should to prove that ROS, this angle, is equal to how many times QOS, subtract QOS from POS. Okay, subtract QOS and POS, and half of that is equal to the ROS. Okay, we should to prove this statement. Okay, so let's start to see that how to we prove that this statement. Okay, so this is here my proof. In the to prove, we must to clear that we want three angles, that is ROS, QOS and POS, and after we have to solve them to find this result. Okay, so from the proof that is given, OR is perpendicular to PQ, therefore angle QOR or ROQ, any one of them you have to write, ROQ is equal to 90 degree. Okay, ROQ is a 90 degree. Here is statement is clear that is we want ROS. So we want ROS, therefore first of all ROS should be find from this part. We have to should be find from, like, we can't consider this part. If we can't consider this part, we have to take QOS minus ROQ. We have to subtract QOS from ROQ. Okay, we have to take first of all this whole thing. Okay, QOS, after we have to subtract this part from that. Okay, subtract this part from that. So which one we have to find? This part we have to find. Okay, okay, which part we have to got? This part, ROS. Okay, so now we have to write that how to find ROS. We got ROS, that is subtract QOS from ROQ. QOS minus ROQ. Okay, subtract QOS minus ROQ. Okay, clear this first statement? Okay, now we have to move for the second statement to take the another part, second part of the figure. Okay, now we have to take second part of the figure, that is okay, now we have to take second part of the figure, that is now I have to remove ROQ. Okay, now I have to remove ROQ. So which one you have to get? Here is my ROP, is whole things are given. From that we have to subtract this part, POS. Okay, we have to subtract POS from ROP. Which part we have to got? ROS. Okay, so now we also write that ROS angle, ROS is now we have to got from that subtract ROP minus POS. Okay, from ROP we have to subtract POS, so we got ROS. Clear? Now okay, so now we have to calculate these two statements. Okay, first of all, if my ROQ is 90 degree, so my ROP is also 90 degree, forms right angle. If right angle forms in left hand side, that is right angle is also formed at the left hand side. Okay, that's the rule that we know that if two angles forms 180 degree, here my two angles forms 180 degree, one of them is right angle, one of them is 90 degree, then other angle is also 90 degree because 1980 plus 180. Okay, that's a common sense. Okay, so my angle ROP is also angle ROP equal to also 90 degree. Okay, now we have to calculate these two statement, equation 1 and equation 2. Okay, so from equation 1 and 2 we have to add them. Okay, because I want QoS minus PoS, I want QoS and PoS and also ROS, so we have to add them. So after add them, ROS is equal to QoS minus ROQ is equal to 90 degree, so I'll write it here as a 90, and second one is ROS is equal to ROP is also 90 degree. Okay, so we have to write that is as a 90, so 90 minus PoS. So now we have to add them. So when I add them, ROS plus ROS is, that is 2 times ROS QoS plus 90 minus 90 minus PoS. Okay, I'll write all of this statement as it is. So plus 90 and minus 90 are cancel out. QoS plus 90, okay, minus 90 minus PoS. Okay, I'll write it all of these things in the horizontal form. Okay, so for that plus 90 and minus 90 are cancel out. So 2 times ROS is equal to QoS minus PoS. So now I'll shift this to, there is in the multiplication, to shift it to second side to divide with this whole bracket. Okay, so QoS minus PoS. Okay, my answer is ROS equal to half of QoS minus PoS, that is I'll prove things which I want, that I'll prove. Okay, so I'll write hence prove. Okay, clear students? Please note down this question. If you have any doubt, then please notify me. If you have any questions, please also notify me. Okay, please note down this question as fast. Okay, main part of the question, students, are these two equation. Okay, that how to form these two equation. Okay, this is main part of the whole of the equation. So you must to know that how to I make these two equation. Okay, so now let's do this last question, question number 6. Okay, So last question, that is question number 6 from the exercise, that is in the given, it is given that xyz equal to 64 degree and xy is produced to a point P. Draw a figure from the given information. We have to draw the figure that is not given in the question. Okay. XYZ is equal to 64 degree. Now first of all I will draw the XYZ angle. This is my X, Y and Z, that is 64 degree. Okay. And XY is produced to point P. XY is produced to point P. So I will draw this line. That's why I'll produce the XY. Okay. To point P. So here my point, one of the point P is at here. Draw a figure from the given formation. If ray YQ bisect ZYP, YQ bisect ZYP, here my YQ, okay, that is bisect the angle ZYP. Bisect means that is made two equal part. Okay, bisect means made a two equal part. Find angle XYQ. First of all, XYQ, whole of this angle. Find XYQ, whole this angle. Okay, first thing that, and reflex of QYP, and reflex of QYP. So for the reflex of this we must want QYP. After we have to find the reflex of it, because from the first question we know that any one angle we have to find the reflex of that. First of all we want that angle, after we have to subtract them 360 degree. Okay, so we got reflex angle of it. Okay, so I want all of this angle and this part of the angle. Okay, so let's start. That is in the given angle XYZ is equal to 64 degree, and second thing, that is YQ bisect angle ZYP. Okay, so therefore my angle ZYQ is equal to my angle QYP. Okay, both of the angles are equal because of the YQ is bisect the angle ZYQ. Okay, so to find, here we don't have to prove anything, here we have to find the angles. So that's why we have to write, to find angle XYQ and angle QYP, reflex of QYP. Okay, then here write reflex, I'll forgot that, reflex of QYP. So let's start to solve this. So my solution, that is first of all XYP made a 180 degree. Okay, clear? That's a make a straight line. XYP make a straight line, therefore total of this all three angles is equal to the 180 degree. Okay, so I'll write that as a XYP is a straight line, therefore angle XYZ angle XYZ plus angle ZYQ plus angle QYP is equal to 180 degree because of the linear pair of angles. Okay, that make also linear pair of angles, and because of the also XYP is a straight line. Okay, so in that XYZ is equal to 64 degree, and also ZYQ and QYP also given, that is both of them are equal. So I'll write ZYQ plus ZYQ. ZYQ is right as it is. From the place of the QYP, I'll write the ZYQ because both of them are equal. So at the place of the QYP, I'll write ZYQ. Okay, equal to 180 degree. So therefore now 64 shifted to the second side. Okay, so ZYQ that is 2 times ZYQ is equal to 180 minus 64. Okay, so therefore angle ZYQ is equal to 2 times angle ZYQ is equal to 180 minus 64, that is 10 minus 6, 10 minus 4, that is 6, 7 minus 7 minus 6, that is 116 degree. Okay, so therefore my angle ZYQ is equal to 116 by 2. 2 is in the multiplication because shifted to second side, that is that it gone to the division. So 116 divided by 2, that is 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 16, 58 degree. Okay, my ZYQ is 58 degree. If my ZYQ is 58 degree, so my QYP is also 58 degree. My QYP is also 58 degree. Okay, clear that? So I'll write it here. Therefore QYP is equal to also 58 degree. Okay, now we have to find the angle XYQ. Okay, so therefore for the angle XYQ, we know that there is a sum of two angles, that is XYZ plus ZYQ. Okay, XYZ plus ZYQ. Okay, therefore 64 plus 58, that is equal to the 8 plus 4 12, 5 plus 1 6 plus 6 12, 122 degree. That is all this angle is equal to the 122 degree. Okay, all these angles are equal to the 122 degree. Now we have to find the angle reflex of QYP. Okay, for the reflex of QYP, that I will also tell you that subtract QYP from the 360. So therefore reflex of QYP is equal to 360 minus QYP, that is 58. Okay, so 360 minus 58, that is also equal to the 302 degree. Okay, that also equal to the 302 degree. Okay, got it? Clear? Please note down this fast. Students, you must to write all of the things that I'll write on the board. That you must to write all the things in your book. Okay. So students, I hope you have to enjoy my this class. Okay. In this class, we are already learned question number 4, 5, and 6 from the exercise 6.1. Okay. So here our exercise 6.1 are completed. Now for the 6.2 we have to learn some basic concept first of all for the 6.2, and after we have to move the exercise 6.2. Okay students, so till then, goodbye and stay blessed.